Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can put inactive tabs to sleep in Microsoft Edge, for example, to save memory or CPU in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you're using Edge, for example, and you have multiple tabs open, but you haven't visited some of them, for example, for quite a time, there's an option to put these to sleep so that they may be inactive and that way not use that much memory or RAM. This is how you can do it, guys. Navigate to your browser settings first by clicking to these three dots, select settings. After that, click into system and performance on the left hand side, navigate to performance, and here under memory, enable these two features. First, automatically put tabs to sleep. That's what I just explained. And below, you can set a time range, for example, after 1 hour. So after 1 hour, these inactive tabs will be put to sleep to save system resources, to quote this description here. But of course, you can set this to 5 minutes, 30 seconds even, or 12 hours. That's up to you. Just make sure that this feature is enabled. If I disable it, that drop-down menu here will disappear below. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.